Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how to change your filters from a Scion TC 2005. We're going to be changing the engine filter and also the cabin filter right now. These from the box, and we're going to lift this back, and then we're going to remove that filter and then put in the new one. In the old one, all of this dirt stops, it reduces airflow, so we definitely want to remove it, and it should increase MPG. Filter, and then you just have to get these clips and put them over here, and the plastic box settles here. Same thing on this side, and then just be sure that it's completely sealed, or else you may get like a check engine light or something. And just be sure these didn't move, then we should be good. Alright, and then now for the cabin filter in the glove box, first thing you're going to do is remove this. So we let go of that, and then we're going to have to push here so that this thing can go past this, and then same thing on this side. So we're going to push it inwards so that it frees up, and then this drops down. It may take some force. You may want to do one side first than the other, and then this will drop down right now. Took a bit of force. That's down now, and now the filter is over here. So let me see what I can do this one hand. Okay, that's clip, and then the filter comes out. So this is a tray, the plastic tray. You don't get rid of that. And then we just take this old filter. I'll throw it right now. And then we're going to place the new one. Here's the new one, and I'll unwrap it right now. Alright, now we've placed a filter. This goes up. You point upwards. And then this part goes under this plastic so that it stays in place. And now all we do is just put it back in. Right there, it tells you that that goes up. We're gonna put it in. Be sure that's in. Now we're gonna get this arm, and then we're gonna reassemble everything again. Right, and it's easier to put everything back together. That went in fine. And now this is working good too. And that's it. That's how you change the filters on a Scion TC.